Mrs. Rogers' neighborhood. Now, we've had Pet of the Week. This week, it's a lot of pets. Actually, we're headed to Moody Gardens Rainforest that is now open. The really great part about the Rainforest exhibit is you get up close and personal with the animals.
Jump around to this big size polia, the couche, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ani ema joko, joko mi, ema joko. Ani ema joko, oh yeah, today, ani today.
So we're inside the rainforest. It's been completely redone inside. There's new exhibits to explore. And here with me is a guy that's in charge of all the animals and exhibits. This is Greg. Greg, tell me a little bit about the opening. What has been the response?
The response has been very good. Prior to Hurricane Ike, the only exhibit experience that people had was down at the ground level. We really tried to focus on what happens up in the treetops, but it was difficult to get people to kind of slow down and look up there and see what's going on. With this new exhibit path, you basically enter right in the treetops, and so you're immediately face to face with some of the birds and mammals, and we've got lizards crawling around in here, and you really get to see that activity right up here at your level before you get back down to the floor level that you would previously recognize.
Pick up, come and move your feet, jump around to this big size polia, the couche, oh yeah, oh yeah. Pick up, come and move your feet, jump around to this big size polia, the couche, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ani ema joko, joko mi, ema joko.
That's it for this week's Mrs. Rogers neighborhood. It's a real jungle out there. If you'd like to come visit Moody Gardens, here's some more information.